Hi everyone, welcome back to Glow Recipe. If you've used our products before or watched our videos before, then you already know that our brand is all about pairing fruits with active ingredients. We love discovering new and game-changing skincare ingredients, and we have one in our latest that we think everyone should know a little bit more about.
Today we're going to talk all about enzymes in skincare, why they're so great, and why you can benefit from incorporating them into your routine. Let's get right to it. What are enzymes? Let's start off by defining what an enzyme is. They're a type of protein that helps speed up naturally occurring reactions. The enzymes we use in skincare, for example, help to dissolve keratin proteins, which is what binds together dead skin cells. And removing this helps to gently smooth the skin. Other enzymes have anti-inflammatory properties.
Enzymes occur naturally, and different enzymes can be found in different fruits and even in our bodies too. For example, papaya enzymes are called papain, and the enzymes found in pineapple are called bromelain. Papain helps to dissolve and remove dead skin cells, improving skin texture and tone. It may also help with wound healing, reduce irritation, and have antibacterial properties. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, is particularly helpful for wound healing and resurfacing. They can also be found in blueberries and pumpkin.
One thing to note is that enzymes are different from acids in that acids can exfoliate both dead skin cells and living skin cells.
Now that we know more about enzymes, let's get into why they're so great for the skin. Because of the way they work, enzymes are perfect for those with sensitive skin or those that are just starting out with a gentle exfoliation. Overall, enzymes are gentler than exfoliating acids, which also means that you can use enzymes in the same skincare routine as exfoliating acids.
Enzymes also don't change the pH of the skin like an acid can. This makes enzymes great for sensitive skin or those with a damaged or compromised skin barrier. And because they're more gentle, you can use a product with enzymes in your routine along with your other actives like vitamin C or acids without having to worry about sensitivity.
You'll find papain enzymes in our Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, mostly for its smoothing properties. We wanted to really pair a gentle exfoliant with nourishing oils for a cleanser to give you that instant dewy glow right away.
These enzymes help to smooth the surface of the skin very gently. And when paired with nourishing botanical oils like papaya seed oil, apricot kernel seed oil, and camellia seed oil, these work in combination to leave skin very supple and glowy. This formula was also made to break down makeup, and we knew it would be used around the delicate eye area, so using gentle enzymes was the way to go.
One thing to note is that in order to make sure that your enzyme products are working properly, it's important to take good care of them. And that's why we recommend storing our Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm in dark, cool spots, such as your medicine cabinet, rather than in your shower. You want to keep the temperature and moisture levels stable, and it breaks down makeup and grime better when applied to dry skin as well.
If you've never used an enzyme product before, we can't wait for you to try this one. If you have a comment or any questions, leave them below and we'll get back to you.
Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!